Bonjour everyone. Hope everybody is studying properly and able to understand all the modules is being sent to you. Now, in today's module, you are going to learn about les articles partitifs. It means partitive article. But before going to description about the partitive article, I would like to tell you what is partitive article. Partitive articles are used to show about the noun in precise quantity or definite quantity or uncountable quantity of anything, just as some tea, some coffee. All these things are known as uncountable quantity, and that comes under partitive article. And how to use and how to make the partitive article, that I am going to show you. First, we get preposition the and definite article in all types of articles. All types of means for masculine, feminine, vowel and silent h, and for plural masculine and feminine. And now how to form it? We get preposition the plus la is equal to the, which is used for masculine singular noun. The plus la is equal to the la, which is used for feminine singular noun. The plus la apostrophe, the la, which is used for vowel or silent h. Now last one, the plus le is equal to they. It is used in case of masculine and feminine plural. This is used in both the cases for masculine and feminine. Now one thing we need to understand, there are some verbs aimer, adorer, détester and préférer. These verbs take only definite articles. As there are definite articles, for that below I will show you the example. Now I have just created some example for you that how to use all these definite articles. First, the, the, dash, the. Now you need to understand they is in which form. It is masculine or feminine. It is ending with e, but it is not a feminine noun. It is exceptional and it comes under masculine noun. For this, if it is masculine, then we should go to over here. For masculine singular, we get the. Then we add over here the. Zava dute. I want some tea. Now next example, tu ashat dash pomme. You purchase apples. You purchase apples. Now you can see your apple which is being shown. It is in the plural form. Then for plural you get des. You get des. Then it becomes they. Tu achètes des pommes. Next, nous mangeons confiture. Nous mangeons confiture. Confiture, which stands for jam. Confiture stands for jam. Now you can see the noun word is ending with e, so it is a feminine noun. Now for feminine singular we are going for dala. Now you can add over here dala. Now dala comes. Nous mangeons de la confiture. We eat some jam. Now, je fais café. Je fais dash café. Now, café is also in the masculine form. Then for masculine form, we get de. We get de. Now, next example, il veut argent. Il veut argent. You can see that argent starts from a vowel, and for a vowel you can get d l apostrophe. D, the l apostrophe. Now il veut de l'argent. He wants some money. Now next, voulez-vous o. Voulez-vous o. Now o also it is starting with a vowel. Now for vowel we are getting the l apostrophe. The l apostrophe. Now how to pronunciate? Voulez-vous de l'eau? Do you want some water? Now, as I told you, there are some verbs aimer, adorer, detester and préférer. These verbs take only definite article, and I am telling you why. Just as one example I am giving you, j'aime le thé. J'aime le thé, because le is known as definite article. So you are talking about a definite thing. You are talking about a definite thing here. J'aime le thé, I like tea. But here you are wishing je veux du thé. I want some tea. But here you are telling I like tea. For your liking, you can put a definite article la. Second one, je déteste rat. You hate rat, and this is the definite thing which you hate. That is why you put la. Je déteste le rat. Hope everybody understood, and you will practice this thing. Thank you and have a nice day.